so much na ang gusto ko na lang gawin sa buhay ay tumulong din ng sobrang daming tao na maabot din nila yung mga pangarap nila. Salamat sa lahat ng nangangarap. Dahil sa mga pangarap mo, dahil nangarap kang muli, sobrang dami mong taong matutulungan din sa buhay. Kita ko kung paano nagbago yung buhay ng maraming tao because of this opportunity.
The top one of AGG, the Empress,
Luis Katrina!
Love all the success, love all the result of other people. Maa-attract mo rin siya sa buhay. Every pro was once an amateur. If you're gonna ask me, anong karakteristik ang pinaka-importante sa sales? Yun, I have one word. Humility. Success comes when you are ready and you deserve it. I may be a leader in your eyes, but I am the greatest servant of my team. That's how it is to become a leader. This is our first time na open to all itong podcast na to because I am receiving a lot of messages. Maraming salamat kasi because of your contents, your videos, your podcasts, ang dami daw na natututunan nila.
Thank you so much, Press Pearl Home, for being so generous with your wisdom.
Yung teachings mo na naging guide sa akin para maabot ko yung mga pangarap ko in a very short period of time.
Kung gaano kalaki yung puso mo na magbago pa ng maraming buhay. Not just here in the Philippines, but also international.
That's life. What's the real meaning here? To love and to grow, to serve your purpose.
Better at lahat na nagpo-push maging better, nagiging successful sa buhay nila. Going from rags to riches is 100% possible. Can you comment possible? All throughout this Zoom event, we will be so interactive with each other. You are very blessed to be here. It's 100% possible. When you actually look at the people who did it, you'll find they follow a very similar pattern. Ang pagyaman may pattern. Lahat may pattern. In this next hour, you will learn so much that will make you realize about life. This Empress Life's intention is that we spread inspiration, and that's our main goal. So for tonight, I've prepared a very special training para sa inyong lahat.
Happy for her. Deserve niya yung spot na to sa dami ng buhay na binago niya.
Empress, thank you so much. Kasi ikaw talaga yung pinakadahilan kung bakit nandito ako ngayon.
Thank you, Empress, and I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much. I love you, and congratulations for being the top one.
Actually, yung top 1, bonus na lang, pero yung naging purpose at mission ko sa mundo, makatulong ng sobrang daming tao.
lot of stories that you can get for you to be able to persevere at maging consistent. You know that you can change your life here. That feeling, yan ang maghahatid sa inyo na maging top 20 ng buong kumpanya at soon maging top 1. Feel the warmth of you guys. Kaya ito po yung unang-unang lugar na pinuntahan namin. This blueprint and platform for you guys, it's effective. People are getting it. People are doing it. Kung kaya nila, kaya mo rin.
Welcome you all sa Day 2 ng Empire Convergence dito sa Zamboanga City!
Grabe, this afternoon has been filled with a lot of excitement. This is what's waiting for you. You're sitting in a gold mine.
Every time that we are innovating, every time na may bagong gagawin sa Elise Empire, there's another level of your income. Tama?
Yes!
So this time, we'll have another innovation.
We are gathered here as one as we are approaching our breakthrough for tonight because of maximum intensity.
Napakagandang training. It's all worth it. It's not about the maximum intensity itself, but it's about who is the person behind this training.
Every time that I share this, I do my best for you to understand na ito yung pinakamagandang gagawin mo.
Sobrang ganda ng
Limited Direct Masterclass.
sa akong produkto ng UDM.
Yung core, yung foundation na meron si Empress. Kita mo, maririnig mo sa UDM.
Kailangan ko yung natulungan. Marami pa.
To more families na mabubuo because of UDM.
Maraming salamat sa kwento mo. Napakaganda, napaka-inspiring.
Lahat ng mga bagay na namamanifest natin sa buhay natin, naramdaman mo yan dati, kaya mo na-manifest yan. The life that you have right now, naramdaman mo yan noon, kaya na-manifest mo. Kung nag-fail ka, congrats, you're growing. The moment that you fail, it means that you did something. And doing something means that you're moving. Moving means you're growing. Growing means you're progressing. Kailangan mo harapin for you to be able to understand deeper. Because when do you want to collect that wisdom? When you're already 70? When you're already 80? When you're already 100 years old? In life, we're here to grow. If the trees are growing, the flowers, they are blooming. Why don't you want to bloom? They are growing. Nature ng life yun eh. You're a living thing. So allow yourself to grow. Right here, right now, you will really have a lot of breakthroughs. You come here not just to celebrate Altura. You come here not just to celebrate one another. But you come here para mag-breakthrough ka. A lot of heightened emotions that will become your core memory. If you want to grow your bank account, you want to grow your finances, you want to grow everything in your life, make sure you also grow as a person. Unleash the power. Unleash the power. And how do you feel right now?
I feel so blessed. I'm so grateful. I'm so very happy, Empress.
Ikaw ang nagbago ng buhay mo, hindi ako. Lagi mo ang tatandaan yan. Maybe you have great reasons, malalim yung rason mo bakit mo deserve. Kaya binigay sa'yo yung resulta.
The best training I ever had.
Sabi yung breakthrough.
Binild yung personality.
Nabago yung pananaw ko sa buhay. Wala na yung sarili ko.
I am healed!
Let go na ako na nagpatawad na nila. At muli akong nangarap.
Naging punong-puno ako lalo ng pagmamahal.
It's not why do you want to win. It's why do you need to win. It's a must.
I would like to appreciate those na mga biyahe pa. 40 hours, 30 hours, just to be here. You will experience a lot of things.
Yung acceptance, yung love, celebrate nila yung pagiging ako, naging reasons kung bakit ako naging happy. So powerful.
Nakita ko kung gaano ka-massive if the people will have that love and ma-radiate siya sa buong mundo.
May tinatawag na pattern kung paano nagiging successful ang tao. It's about forgiveness, about letting go, about dapat walang bara kung gusto mo mag-breakthrough sa buhay at magnet ka ng blessings. Kailangan maayos yung kalooban, kaisipan, about state of your being, about changing your words, that is changing your life. Communication, to be able to love again, we feel. And today, sobrang dami nating natutunan.
Hello, it's November 11th, 2025, the 5th year anniversary of Elite's Empire, exactly this week. And we are packing right now para sa ating outreach for tomorrow. It's a good way to celebrate our anniversary this week. AGG taught us a lot of things, not only that grow kami financially, but holistically. It's because of this. Sabi nga, live of money by getting to make a living, by giving to make a life. Live of money. I feel so blessed because I know what help it could give and what smile it could give to people.
Thank you so much, Elite Empire, for this wonderful experience. So talagang one of a kind talaga to.
Aming dreamers na napasaya talaga dito sa anniversary guys. Kaya Empress, sobrang thankful ko na isa ako dito.
Few years ago when the Leeds Empire started, ang pinaka-strength natin, system. Pero ngayon, it's not just system na strength natin. It's the culture. Once an Elite's Empire, always an Elite's Empire. So blessed to be here right now in front of you, to be given a chance na mas maraming tao ang magbago ang buhay because of Elite's Empire.
Thank you so much po talaga kay Ma'am Empress Perho. At sana marami pa po kayong matulungan gaya ko.
The decision you will make today will make your life a better life.
Thank you for being with Elite's Empire. We are not perfect, but we are progressing. The best is yet to come.